Hare Krishna, welcome to Satvik Lifestyle. Today we will see the easy Peerkangai Curry. So cut the Peerkangai, that is durian, Chinese Oakra, I call it as. Cut the tomatoes and then fry this Chinese Oakra in little bit oil, 1 spoon of oil maybe. And then when it is half cooked, add the tomatoes in it and then fry along with it. I fry both the vegetable and the tomatoes together for maybe 5 minutes, and then on the side I kept a skillet and add 1 spoon of oil and put the seasoning. For seasoning I put 1 spoon of the mustard seeds and urad dal. Let it crackle and then add some ginger, 1 spoon ginger and 2 or 3 green chilies according to your spiciness level, and then fry it just 1 minute. It will get quickly cooked, and just make sure that the urad dal doesn't get fried up too much, otherwise it will give like a burnt taste. Meantime, I'm taking 1 spoon of wangi bath masala and then 1 spoon chili powder or half spoon chili powder if it's too spicy, and then 1 spoon cumin powder. So all together I fry in that seasoning mix just to get that rawness gone away, and then add it in the cooked curry mixture. So in this cooked curry mixture, if you add it, you will get the aroma of the fried spices along with tomato. It's a very nice smell. And the only thing which is left out is the salt and turmeric powder. And then I also ground some coconut, or if you have a coconut grated one, you can add this. So along with this I added 1 cup of water, not too watery, you can just add 1 cup of water, let it cook and boil, and the curry is ready. Now I can transfer into the plate and offer it to Krishna and enjoy with your loved ones. You see the color is really awesome. It's really, the vegetable and the tomatoes got cooked and it's really colorful. On top of it I add some coriander leaves for garnishing. It came out really good. I hope you like this recipe. Please try and comment and share. And thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.